Today in the livestock market, cattle was steady. That slow cash trade did keep prices pretty stable. Right now, futures trade has been largely sideways with a $1.50 range. We did get above that 171 area with the CVOL ending at 14%, which is a little bit lower than it's been really for the last week or so. Feeders were also up. The packers are a bit short bought, so they're coming in a little bit more aggressive. But trade action is still largely consolidative. We had a $2.25 range, ending up about $1.25 to $2.26. But it's still staying in that channel that we've been in since mid-December, from $2.21 to $2.28. We are at the higher end, but we're still in that channel. CVOL for the feeders are 17.8%. Now, hogs today were firm. The futures did hit the highest price in a month, really showing a little bit of strength there. That uptrend is pretty much intact because we've been up really for a week now. Prices did rise over that $72 mark, so that's pretty helpful for the contract as a whole. Packers continue to aggressively buy, and keep in mind though that the deferreds were a little bit slightly lower. So the idea that these tighter supplies or that the higher market's going to continue on throughout the year is still kind of, the jury is still out on that, so we're going to be watching that closely. Option open interest is still at $70 mark for the puts, $78 for the calls, so that's what we're looking at. That would be the target if the market continues to move higher. CVOL is at 25.3%. But livestock as a whole is showing signs of strength here on this first couple of weeks in 2024.